Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox and review my new stethoscope, which is Littmann Cardiology 4. After going through a lot of choices, the basic choice that I had was between Cardiology 4 or Master Cardio. So though I am an orthopedician, but sometimes I need to examine and auscultate many patients. So I needed a fine quality stethoscope. So this is the one that I selected. There are two or three reasons. First, its quality on paper is very high. Second, it has 7-year warranty. Third, there was a scheme by IMA during COVID times that they sent messages with coupon of around 20% as a respect to doctors to buy from Amazon. So this stethoscope is actually of more than 25,000, but on shops you will be able to get it in around 17 to 18,000 range. However, the cost difference is also there due to color. So I chose the one which was cheapest. So it was around 14,500 in Amazon by 3M official link. So always buy from Cloudtail, which is 3M official seller via Amazon. So others may or may not be authentic. So I confirmed via from 3M representative. I bought it via Amazon. So it finally costed me 11,500. So let's see. So this is the product. It is made in USA and it is imported in India. So on opening, let's see what is there. So there is a Littmann Cardiology 4 guide. So this guide is in various languages. It is regarding how to handle the stetho, how not to spread it, not to over compress it, how to change the diaphragm, how to fit the earbuds. It is only two-page guide. Next is a warranty card which shows the warranty. So the warranty with Master Cardio and Cardiology 4 is 7 years. So it is, I think, very good, but the warranty doesn't cover rim and diaphragm and also doesn't cover wear and tear. So it has one extra ring for diaphragm and two earbuds. I think extra diaphragm might have been good. So this is my black, complete black with smoke finish. The smoke finish is here. So this is complete black with smoke finish. Now with Cardiology 4, the difference is there in the diaphragm area. In usual 3M Classic or lightweight, the width of this is half. If it's possible, I will demonstrate you. So this width is nearly double in Cardiology 4. It is a double lumen stethoscope. That means one tube from this, one tube from this, and inside this common tube also they are in two different segments. So it is double lumen inside this piece also. This is in total 27 inch tube length. So it is perfect tube length. Littmann is well renowned for its quality. So let's hear how is the sound in reality. I'm auscultating myself and will tell you how is the sound. In Cardiology 4, there is only one side of diaphragm. However, because IMA offer was not there in Cardiology, Master Cardiology, I choose this. I think the quality of this stethoscope is very fine. I can hear a rub also, and I really like it. Uh, recommend you to buy this until this IMA offer lasts.